Imagine this. You're walking down the street, caught up in your busy life. Your mind is racing, thinking about your responsibilities, your tasks, the challenges ahead. Then suddenly, you see a cat sitting by the side of the road, looking up at you with calm eyes. You have a choice. Do you keep walking, absorbed in your thoughts, or do you pause, kneel down, and pet the cat? It might seem trivial, but what if I told you that this simple act of pausing, of petting a cat, could actually teach you something profound about life, about mindfulness, and about finding peace in the midst of chaos? Today, we're diving into Jordan Peterson's 12th rule in 12 Rules for Life. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. It might sound simple, even whimsical, but this rule is a powerful reminder to take a moment to find peace amidst life's struggles. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant hustle and bustle. We rush from task to task, always thinking about what's next, rarely stopping to truly experience the present moment. But sometimes, the simple, small acts, like petting a cat, hold the key to finding calm in the chaos. Jordan Peterson's rule to pet a cat when you encounter one on the street is a reminder that, even in times of difficulty, it's important to pause and appreciate the small joys that life offers. This rule isn't about ignoring your problems, but rather about taking a moment to reconnect with the present, to ground yourself, and to embrace the serenity that can be found in life's simplest pleasures. The idea of petting a cat may seem trivial in the grand scheme of life's challenges, but that's exactly the point. Life can feel overwhelming, and sometimes we get so caught up in our problems that we forget to take a break. But the simple act of petting a cat, or even just noticing a moment of beauty, can help us reconnect with our sense of peace. When you pet a cat, you're engaging in a moment of mindfulness. You're not thinking about your to-do list, your career, or your future. You're simply present, focused on the texture of the cat's fur, the rhythm of its purring, and the calmness it exudes. This moment, though brief, can serve as a reminder to slow down, breathe, and find contentment in the here and now. Petting a cat symbolizes more than just interacting with an animal. It's about finding moments of peace in the midst of life's chaos. We live in a world that often feels like it's moving too fast, where the pressures of daily life can be overwhelming. In those moments, it's easy to forget that peace can be found in small, quiet acts. When you pause to pet a cat, it's a gentle reminder that taking a break, even for a few seconds, can help you restore your energy and perspective. Life doesn't have to be a constant race. Sometimes, it's about recognizing and savoring the moments that allow you to catch your breath. Peace isn't found in the absence of struggle, but in the ability to remain grounded and calm, even while navigating life's challenges. Animals, especially cats, have a unique ability to bring a sense of calm. Their presence has been shown to reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and promote relaxation. The act of petting an animal can trigger the release of oxytocin, the feel-good hormone, helping to reduce anxiety and improve our overall mood. When we encounter a cat on the street, it's not just an opportunity to pet the animal, it's a chance to reconnect with ourselves. In a world where we are constantly bombarded by noise and distractions, interacting with an animal offers us a simple yet powerful way to center ourselves, even for a few moments. If this message resonates with you, I want you to take a moment and reflect. How often do you let the small moments in life pass by unnoticed? Do you find yourself so caught up in your day-to-day responsibilities that you forget to appreciate the simple joys around you? I challenge you today to find those moments of peace. The next time you're walking down the street and you encounter a cat or any other small joy, take a moment to pause, to be present, and to appreciate the beauty in simplicity. Pet the cat, not just because it's a cute animal, but because it's a way of grounding yourself and reminding you that, even in the chaos, peace is always within reach. If this video inspired you, please like it to show your support for finding calm in life's simple moments. Comment below and share a time when a small moment of peace, like petting an animal or pausing to take in your surroundings, helped you navigate a stressful day. And don't forget to subscribe to awaken your essence for more content on how to slow down, find peace, and live a more mindful present life. Remember, in the hustle and bustle of life, it's the small, quiet moments that often bring us the most peace.